Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to do some pruning on this small portulacaria afra or dwarf jade. It's a little overgrown. I'm just trying to keep it small and just kind of a rounded top, and you'll see kind of hopefully the shape once I get done pruning it. But like I said, it's a little overgrown. Some of these shoots are 4 or 5 inches too long, but like I said, short video today, just to give this guy a quick prune. So as I usually do, my first pass is just a quick profile prune. Not really looking at a lot of where the branches are or anything. Just trying to get it, like I said, some of these long shoots trimmed back and roughly into the shape that I'm wanting this tree to be in. And then once I get the rough profile prune done, I will go back and kind of do a little more fine tuning to it. You can kind of see kind of the shape I'm going for. It's got a curved trunk on it, got a little bit of wire, and I bent the top over, and then kind of a cascading swoop over there. But I've got a little more growth on the front because this was facing the light when it was outside. It's been inside for a couple weeks now, but still putting on growth, so happy about that. So I'll probably take some of this front in, but then when I put it back on my shelf, I'll make sure. Right now this side is more to the light, so you can see this is a new leaf growth here since it's been inside. This is new, so it is kind of growing that way. So that's kind of what we're hoping for. But let me get some of this trimmed back a little bit more. Like I said, the front is a little more aggressive, so I'm probably going to prune that back a little bit more just to kind of get it in shape. I've got some of these branches that are hanging down a little bit farther than I want them to, so trim those back so you can kind of see more of the trunk. Kind of don't want to do too much to the back here. Like I said, I need to get that to grow out. And I'm encouraged by what I'm seeing. I'm seeing these little leaves popping out there. There's one there. So where all these cuts were made before, it is starting to pop new growth. So that's good. Like I said, today's video is going to be fairly short. Just a quick prune. I think I will take this back just a little bit. Yeah, like I said, it's a little imbalanced. This over here just needs to fill in, but that will come in time. Get this little hut straightened up. It's a little crooked. Move it over a little bit. Yeah, like I said, if I had more growth here, I'd probably trim some of this off to kind of balance it out and keep it rounded on the front to back look here. But I'm just going to go ahead and let these grow. I could take some wire and bring that down. Don't think I will today, but maybe in the future. I'm just going to let those continue to grow. See if we can get it filled in a little bit. This one's kind of pointing down. Actually, this whole branch is, this branch here, keep looking at it, but it's actually kind of pointing down, and it's a bar branch to this one on top. So I think I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that whole branch. Just open up that, yeah, make that look better. Just open up that whole bottom there. Okay, I think that'll just about do it. Like I said, nice short video. Hope you enjoyed it. And let me give you a quick spin around. There's the front. There's the left side. There's the back. The right side. And back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.